Got vague marketing goals? Let's turn them into smart objectives that actually deliver. Write down your general goal, like increase brand awareness or get more leads. Be clear, increase brand awareness by growing Instagram followers by 25% in 3 months. Use numbers to track progress, like follower count, leads generated, or website visits. Set goals that push you but are realistic given your budget and resources. Make sure your goal supports your overall business objectives. Add a deadline to create urgency and focus, like within 3 months or by quarter 4. Turn your goals smart and watch your marketing soar. Need help? Comment below. I got you.